Start of the third quarter. Makati Basketball. Tignan natin kung effective ang kanilang huddle during the halftime and they could bring this lead down by Caloocan. Manage na yan. Dapat aggressive siya. They need his points production. And we see the intensity of inside. Ito magandang line-up ng mga kapis na pabayag na yung laki ng Caloocan. As we see Santiago Cortez. Lord, kailangan lang nila dito pinipin yung hangin nila. Kasi hindi dito is match up with the height or they need to run.
Shot clock, 14 seconds.
14 seconds sa shot clock ng Makati. Managing na, aggressive. But we need some screen. Libre si Briones. Malakas. Ang gusto naman si Uy sa rebound. Nice fake. And we have a foul.
Ball on the game, starting his fourth.
Medyo kailangan lang niya mag-maintain itong kanyang intensity, no? Dahil kailangan ng rebound, lalo-lalo na sa offensive ng Makati. Ini si Limping. Parang may iniinda si Uy dito. This will be a crucial player if nawala si Uy sa Makati and he missed both free throws because he is slipping. Buendia, no good. Rebound by Coy. De La Cruz. Here comes Manaluna. Cross court. 40, wala. Nice rebound. It backs out by Nak Camarino.